Everyone, you see my YouTube channel. Today my topic, this one 2GR engine to downside crankcase cover open. This is not good, this accident. This downside cover open after I am making this downside cover. This one 2GR 2017 model engine is good condition. Here this coming water pump, here coming this gear cooler, here coming compressor, this AC, waterful, this one. Check everyone's system is good, all condition. Only this downside cover is not good. After this good engine is good condition. This one check coil, this 6-cylinder coming, this one 2GR 2017 Sienna. Here check is good condition, good engine. This one oil, AC, pipe, AC, another. This one money full 5. Everyone, you see this engine is good condition. Check here after this downside, here this upside cover coming, plastic downside cover coming, crankcase. Another this 13-14 upside cover coming white, and this coming black. This engine is good condition, good engine. This one 2GR engine. This one 11 to 20 same coming Sienna.